In the spring, play sets get their fair share of use because the kids have been cooped up inside all winter, so now's a good time to do a quick little maintenance checkup unless your play set is brand new, like this one. Now, like any part of your home that's at the mercy of the elements, a play set is subject to a lot of wear and tear. The wood itself takes a beating from the rain, the snow, and the sunshine, which can constantly expand and contract it and change its color. Now, the color change won't matter much to the kids, but the expansion and contraction can lead to cracking and splintering, which they will notice, especially if they get a splinter in their hand. Now, some sanding of rough edges will be a good idea after a harsh winter, and if you apply a wood sealer directly afterward, it'll help minimize this problem in the future. Now, all that expanding and contracting also tends to loosen up fasteners like the nuts and bolts, so it's also a good time to make sure they're nice and tight. Now, the sun's ultraviolet light also works on other components like rope swings. Ropes made from polypropylene may start to fray, and if they do, they'll be a little rough on those hands, so it's a good idea to replace the ropes. Now, finally, check around the set for tree limbs or shrubs that may have grown too close since the play set was installed. Then you can sit back and enjoy watching the kids play this spring worry-free.